Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video we're gonna be looking at Nasdaq, right? This week market focus, we're gonna be looking at Nas. And yeah, Nasdaq has been moving nicely, right? Let's just go quickly to like higher time frame just to show you guys what has been happening, right? We've been bullish like the whole year, right? The whole of 2023 we've been bullish, and we're still bullish though, right? We haven't gotten any signs of a downtrend, right? So let's quickly go to our daily time frame, right? Let's go to daily time frame. I hope you guys are doing good, man. It's been a while. Click on the subscribe button, comment guys what you think below. All right. Okay, cool. So now on daily, I can expect Nasdaq to come back here, right, around 15. Let me just see how much is that. 15 125, right? And we have a very interesting area which is 15,000, right? So a very interesting area which is 15,000. That's our monthly key level. So price can react there, right? And then we can start getting signs of a buys, right? So what I'm going to be doing here on Nas, I'm going to be waiting for price to like give me clear signs of what's happening, right? But then looking at our daily structure, we can see Nas pulling back up, right, coming back to retest here at around 15,000, 15,125, giving a sign of a sell. We can take the retest, and then we're going to target this is going to be our TP1, which is going to be 14,950. And then we can target 14,800, which is going to be our TP2. And then obviously we're going to be targeting this area here, which is going to be our TP3, right? So let me just quickly put this horizontal area here so that you guys can see what's cooking, right? Yeah, so these are going to be our target, right? This is going to be our target. Let me just change this to the dotted lines so that you guys can see this. So this is going to be our target for sales opportunities. So in order for me to look for buys, I will need to see Nasdaq breaking this area here, right? I will need to see Nas breaking this area here, right? So if we don't break this area, sorry, I'm recording on the phone, guys, right? So sorry about that. So if we don't break this area here, let me just use an arrow. Yeah, that's gonna be much easier. So if we don't break this area here on Nas, then I'm gonna continue looking for sales, right, since we are bearish on our daily structure. So if we do break this area here, then I'm gonna wait and see if we are gonna get this. Let me just quickly delete this, delete all the drawings. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, let's take this channel to 1,000 by the end of the year. We're currently sitting at 337 the last time I checked. So yeah, we've been growing steady slowly, right? So yeah, guys, let's go. So and then in order for me to look for buys this week, I would like to see Nas breaking above 15,100, I can say, and then staying above 15,100, coming back to give us a retest here, something like this, that you can, and then we're going to continue looking for buys, right? But then if we don't get that, then I'm going to be waiting and seeing, and then at the moment, sales are going to be my high probability trades, and then until we get break of 15,125 in order to confirm for buys, and then I'm going to be changing my buys to buys. Don't be scared to change your buyers, guys. When the market says buys, buy. When the market says sell, sell. Simple as that. Don't force things. And yeah, don't forget to check out our Nasdaq course, which is like $30. And then also you can check out our free Telegram group where we send setups. I'm also going to share this Nasdaq setup during the week on the free Telegram group. You can check that out. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one, and cheers.